there, and welcome back to another session of learning through fun quizzes. Word formation, quiz 1. Let's begin. Number 1. What is the verb form of the word decision? A. Decisive. B. Deciding. C. Decide. D. Decision. Answer is letter C. Decide. The verb form of the word decision is decide. It's letter C. Number 2. Which of the following is the adjective form of the word strength? A. Strong. B. Strengthen. C. Strength. D. Strongly. Answer is letter A. Adjective form of the word strength is strong. Number 3. What is the adverb form of the word beautiful? A. Beautify. B. Beauty. C. Beautifully. D. Beautifying. Answer is letter C. The adverb form of the word beautiful is beautifully. Number 4. Which of the following is the verb form of the word care? A. Care. B. Careful. C. Carefully. D. Caring. Answer is letter A. The verb form of the word care is care. Number 5. The noun form of the word succeed. A. Success. B. Successing. C. Successfully. D. Successful. Answer is letter A. The noun form of the word succeed is success. Number 6. What is the adjective form of the word danger? A. Dangerously. B. Dangerous. C. In danger. D. Danger. Answer is letter B. The adjective form of the word danger is letter B. Dangerous. Number 7. What is the verb form of the word information? A. Inform. B. Informative. C. Informing. D. Informatively. Answer is letter A. The verb form of the word information is inform. Number 8. What is the adjective form of the word hope? A. Hope. B. Hoping. C. Hopelessly. D. Hopeful. Answer is letter D. The adjective form of the word hope is hopeful. Number 9. Which of the following is the correct adverb form of hard? A. Hardily. B. Hard. C. Harder. D. Hardly. Answer is letter B. Hard. The adverb form of hard is still hard. When you say hardly, this is wrong. Number 10. The noun form of the word argue. A. Argue. B. Argumentative. C. Arguable. D. Argument. Answer is argument. The noun form of the word argue is argument. Number 11. Which of the following is the verb form of the word thought? A. Thoughtfully. B. Thinker. C. Think. D. Thoughtful. Answer is letter C. Think. The verb form of the word thought is think. Number 12. Which of the following is the adverb form of the word easy? A. Easily. B. Easier. C. Ease. D. Easy. Answer is letter A. The adverb form of the word easy is easily. Number 13. The noun form of the word perform is A. Perform, B. Performance, C. Performed, D. Performing. Answer is letter B. The noun form of the word perform is performance. Number 14. Which of the following is the noun form of the word description? A. Descriptive, B. Describe, C. Described, D. Description. Answer is letter D. The noun form of the word description is description. Number 15. The noun form of the word create is A. Created, B. Creation, C. Create, D. Creative. Answer is letter B. The noun form of the word create is creation. Number 16. The noun form of the word advise. A. Advise, B. Advising, C. Advised, D. Advise. Answer is letter D. Advise. Letter A. Advise is wrong. Number 17. What is the adverb form of the word joy? A. Joyous, B. Joyful, C. Joyfully, D. Enjoy. Answer is letter C. Joyfully. Adverb form of the word joy is joyfully. Number 18. The noun form of improve is A. Improvement, B. Improvingly, C. Improved, D. Improve. Answer is letter A. Noun form of improve is improvement. Number 19. Which of the following is the noun form of the word explain? A. Explaining, B. Explains, C. Explain, D. Explanation. Answer is noun form of the word explain is letter D. Explanation. And number 20, last item. The correct adverb form of the word fast is A. Fastly, B. Fasten, C. Fast, D. Fasten. Answer is letter C. Correct adverb form of the word fast is still the same. Is still fast. Letter C. Fastly is wrong. That's all for this quiz about word formation. Thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to Easy English Joy for more content like this. Bye and see you next time.